All right, I finally caved in and bought myself a tumbler. I've realized I needed to make things a little easier for myself. Plus, I had some Christmas money to spend, so there's that too. And got some of the last fasteners here from the driver's side of the Corvette. Dumped into the tumbler here. I think the way this thing works is it kind of vibrates back and forth. And bought the media that comes with it from Harbor Freight. It's kind of like, if you smell it, it smells like Bondo, to be honest with you. I think it's hardened pieces of epoxy. This being plastic, the instructions say don't use, like really harsh abrasives. So it just says use walnut shells and stuff like this. This stuff was bought separate, and it's made for this tumbler. So anyway, all right, let's fire this thing up and see how she works. And let's see. Looks pretty simple. Just put the lid on and go ahead and tighten down your wing nut here. If I can get it on there. Let's see. This wobbly piece of metal I have on my workbench will probably vibrate the whole thing. I guess that doesn't need to be too terribly tight. That's good enough. Let's see what happens. All right, we'll see you in a little while. All right, it's been 2 hours. Let's see what kind of damage we've done after 2 hours. I came out here and checked it after an hour. Looked pretty good. I put a lock washer on this because this had vibrated off. So let's give it a shot here. See what we got. And let's see, fish around for some stuff. I got a magnet here. There's some stuff. Take a look at this hex nut here. All the shininess has been taken off of it, which is what I want. All the rust seems to be taken off. Looks pretty good. The whole point here in this is to get all the hardware cleaned up really, really well, and I want to go ahead and zinc plate it. So I think this might work out a little better. So let's see. Let's get a bolt out. Not that one. I want to get a different one out. Let's see. There's a big old lock nut. That's good to go right there. This is what I wanted. Everything's off. Nice cast looking appearance. Very smooth. All the rust is gone. There's a bolt. I was looking for one of these big bolts here. So yeah, cool. Very cool indeed. So now just have to wipe this down, and then I'll probably just kind of rinse it around in a little acetone before I throw it over into the zinc coating. But I believe this is going to work out really, really well. All right, one last shot. That's what that one of the bolts looks like after we took it out of the tumbler. So the head and the shaft there, they look really good. And I got the dust out of the threads with the wire wheel. And this ought to plate really, really nicely. What does that say? WB? Interesting. Okay, all in all, the vibrating tumbler is a win. This is going to work out really well for the hardware on the Corvette. All right, well, there you go. We'll see you in a couple of days.